Well, dogs may be man's best friend, but people are crazy for their cats. Here with a few feline fun facts and health tips are TV host and vet Dr. Karen Hamilton and vet tech Leah Boback. Welcome back.
Thank you.
Thank you.
And who's this guy?
This is Titus.
Hi, Titus.
It's our hospital cat.
You know what? I was going to ask you because I feel like I've sort of seen him in the back in some of the episodes. That's him.
Yep.
Titus, you're famous.
He's
So
loving a treat right now.
We're talking about cat health, feline health. What are some of the common issues that cats face when it comes to their health?
So some of the things that I see the most are vomiting. Cats vomit. He might vomit here.
Here's hoping not. He's got to clean that up if so. So vomiting, what else?
I see FLUTD, which is feline lower urinary tract disease. It's a syndrome. See it mostly in male cats because their urethra is really tiny.
Okay.
So they can get crystals, they get stuck, and they can get blocked.
Okay.
And then I see females as well can get a lower urinary tract disease syndrome as well. They can get either just urinary tract infections or a blockage or crystals, or they can get sterile infections. It's crazy. It's a long, detailed syndrome. They can get fleas in the certain seasons, but all year in this area. So make sure you keep them on the flea stuff if they're indoor or outdoor. Even indoor cats can get it if you have dogs or carry it in on your ankle. Excuse me.
Oh, got it. Yeah.
So we also see diarrhea, upper respiratory infections. That's what we vaccinate against usually. And then we can see in older cats, I see kidney issues, and I also see some cancer, lymphomas, things like that.
So a lot of issues that just to be aware of. It's not saying that the cats are necessarily going to develop all of these things, but they're
That's what I see a lot.
Yeah, the common illnesses that will bring them to your attention.
Right.
But also, I know that cats can sometimes be dangerous for owners, for people nearby or dealing with cats because of their scratches. Can you tell me more about that, Leah?
So,
I'm sorry.
one of the things is their bites. The bites are worse than the scratches. You can get cat scratch fever, but honestly, I've never seen cat scratch fever in all the years that I've...
What is cat scratch fever?
So when a cat scratches a human, they carry a bacteria called Bartonella.
Okay.
And then that can...
So like a rash or
that can
something
become systemic, and then people get sick, very sick.
Yikes.
So, but I honestly have never seen that. I've seen tons, hundreds of bites from cats. And what happens is the cat's fangs, their canine teeth, bite into the flesh, and it's like taking a syringe and just injecting bacteria right in. Cats have the dirtiest mouths of all species. Humans are number 2, so don't bite anyone. That's why toddlers aren't supposed to bite in kindergarten.
So
we train that out of them young.
Right, so cats are the worst, humans, and then what, dogs are cleaning
I don't even know what's next. It's just like, you know, scattered underneath that.
But, you know, we laugh, but it's serious. It is something that we have to be
Tell them
mindful
how
of.
serious.
Yeah. I wanted to just say that I had a personal experience with my own cat. There was a little tough between my dog and my cat.
Right.
And I wasn't expecting it. I was trying to separate them, and he just turned around and bit me. And immediately I washed it, put some soap on it, but later found out that you're supposed to use like 2 cups of warm water and a teaspoon of salt and just gently rub it instead of being rough on it, just to not damage the tissue.
So what happened with you then?
So I got bit and had a huge, it started swelling up pretty big on my hand, and then I was in the hospital to get IV antibiotics.
Oh my goodness.
Because the orals weren't working for like 3 days.
3 days.
Okay, so we obviously need to learn more. We can do that when we're watching your show Saturday at 7:30 p.m. right here on WMAR2 Pet Me with Dr. Karen Hamilton. So many, I mean, I'm intrigued. I can't wait to watch Saturday because I'm like, this is going to be a good one because it's a lot to learn. I mean, I'm not a big cat person, if you can't tell. I'm more of a dog person. But yes, I'm interested in learning more because you gave good stuff. We'll be right back with more Midday Maryland right after this. Stay tuned.